Hey everybody, Kristen here, sports dietitian, certified personal trainer, and owner of Elite Nutrition Performance. Enjoying this beautiful weather we have outside today. So it is National Dairy Month, and I know that dairy gets a little bit of a bad rap, especially on social media, how everybody's saying it's so bad for you and causes inflammation and all these other problems. And I do want to say that a lot of people do have problems with dairy. There is varying levels of lactose intolerance, and then lots of people have milk allergies, and some people it just does not work for them. Dairy does cause an overproduction of mucus, so if you ever are congested, I generally recommend to cut out dairy to let the mucus kind of die down, or if that's something that you have a chronic issue with, that chronic sinus problems, certainly that's something to avoid as well. However, if you are an athlete and you are trying to gain muscle, dairy is actually not a bad thing to add in whatsoever, and it's a great source of protein, a great source of carbohydrates, and also it has a full amino acid profile that's really helpful for building muscle. And so there are 9 essential amino acids. So those 9 essential amino acids your body cannot make. You actually have to get them from food sources. And so there's branched chain amino acids, which we all have heard about with building muscle, and that's located inside of dairy. So branched chain amino acids, one in particular, leucine, is kind of like a light switch for turning on muscle growth or muscle building. And that's really important if you are an athlete trying to build muscle or even maintain muscle so that you can get better at your sport, get stronger, get faster. So we always like to hone in on leucine. So certainly you could take a branched chain amino acid supplement, but really, why pay all that money for a branched chain amino acid supplement when all you can do is just drink a glass of milk or eat some yogurt? You can get creative with that, and during the summer months you can make frozen yogurt. We actually made that this morning with my kids. Or you could do something like chocolate milk. You could make a smoothie. You could do the smoothie with Greek yogurt, or add some milk in there. If you don't want to do the Greek yogurt, you could just do milk and some fruits, some vegetables, some peanut butter, oats, that type of thing. And that's a great thing to have right after you get done working out. It doesn't matter if you're running, if you are lifting weights, or what kind of workout that you're doing, if you have been outside. It's a great way to get in that amino acid leucine, and particularly all of the amino acids, the 9 essential amino acids, to help with muscle building. So like I said, if you don't have any problems with dairy, I fully support taking in dairy, especially after a training session, to get in those branched chain amino acids, and like I said, the leucine, to help with those muscle building goals that you have. So if you are a dairy fan and you have any other recipes, please feel free to comment below on what those other recipes are that you like. I know I have lots of them, but those are just some quick and easy tips. So I would love to hear your voice and your opinion on that, and share with others your recipes as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good rest of the day.